Texan shaves, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. I think I'm definitely feeling much better. I was feeling good before, but feeling pretty much my normal self now, finally, from being sick. I still have a little bit of congestion left, a little bit in the chest. Not as bad as it had been, though. So thank you for all the well wishes, by the way, in the comments. I really appreciate it. Today we are shaving with, and one of the viewers requested I do another Soap Palooza, so here we are. Soap Palooza's Resin Trail. So there we go. Now this one really sung to me when I saw the scent notes. Let's go ahead and read about it. This is from the Soap Palooza website. A warm, resin-rich blend inspired by deep forest trails. Smooth amorous and sweet benzoin meet the clean wood of Atlas cedar wood and crisp fir needle, grounded by the smoky earth of vetiver, natural, rugged, and quietly commanding. So the scent notes are amorous, Atlas cedarwood, benzoin, fir needle, and vetiver. And I am in love with this one, guys. Oh, it smells so good. That vetiver really sings with that fir needle. Loving it. I do, of course, have the matching splash. And for the hardware, I am using my favorite gem razor. This is the Shield Gem, favorite modern gem razor. The Shield Titanium Gem Razor. And for the brush, I'm using Shamrock Shaving Customs with a bore knot. And looking forward to this shave. I have a little over 24 hours growth. I had such a good shave the other morning. I did a full shave, just my own shave. I was going to make a video, but I didn't. So I ended up shaving my head and face together, which is something rare for me to do. Very enjoyable. And I use the Lone Star. Whenever I use the Lone Star, I kind of have to go an extra half day to a day to get any growth for a video. So let's get this lather built. And it's been a while since I used a bore brush. I decided I want to pull one out. Get this loaded. Have not used this set yet. It's been sitting on my desk in my shave bin for quite a while, and I decided it is now time. Guess I could have turned that water off, huh? Alright, that should be plenty. Let's get this rinsed out. I don't know if I mentioned, we'll be doing a head shave today. I'm actually kind of doing what I did before. I'm going to try to make 3 videos tonight. 2 shaving videos and 1 razor review video is my plan. We'll see if I get it done or not. But here we go. Let's get the head wet. And let's get the lather going. Oh man, it smells so good. Throw some water on there. Ooh, a little too much water. Beautiful. So I have some exciting news also. We do have a date for the Texas meetup, and it is June 6th. I have the contract signed with the Kalahari Resort, and that is the new home of the Great Texas Wet Shavers Meetup. And it will be there every year, same date, every year. And let me tell you, we have some amazing things lined up for it, guys. Doug and I created a Facebook group for the meetup. And please, there is a event post there. If you're going to go, please mark it on that post so that we have a head count and we're prepared for everyone that's there. So we have enough swag bags. The vendors know how much product to bring. It's very important if you would please do that, since we are not selling tickets or anything, to get a good head count. So let your friends know, invite them to the group if you're already there, join the group if you're not there yet. And I've been announcing all the vendors that are confirmed so far. We have potential for about 15 vendors. Huge, huge, huge turnout. We've confirmed more than half of those 15. So already it is going to be an outstanding, outstanding meetup. All right. Now we just need to get the people there. So that's going to be June 6th, Saturday, June 6th at the Kalahari Resort in Round Rock, Texas. And guess what? Soap Palooza is going to be there. Confirmed. That got me a little nick. I knew that bump was going to catch me. Felt it when I went over it. I was just hopeful that it didn't. Man, this fragrance is so good. Amorous and cedarwood. Oh, I am loving this one. Cannot wait to get to the splash. All right. You know what I did forget? I'll be right back. I forgot my towel. All right, I'm back. Hadn't forgot my towel in a long time. I don't know, for those of you that have been with me at the beginning of my YouTube career, you'll remember I used to forget my towel every freaking episode for like a year before I finally got in the habit of remembering everything. I was always forgetting something. It was kind of funny. It was like a running gag for a while. So I do hope many of you, if not all of you, will be attending the meetup. It is going to be a blast. It is at the beautiful Kalahari Resort in Round Rock, Texas. Now, this is a family center that has both adult and family entertainment, from a massive indoor water park to swim-up grotto bars, bowling alleys, sports bars, you name it. It is all inclusive. There's like 5 restaurants on premises. You don't have to go anywhere if you decide to stay at the hotel. Boy, I got a nick and a weeper. I was going a little hardcore, I guess, at the beginning, but I know that one was a bump. I was worried about it to begin with, and I'm going to have to get some alum or something on that. All right, we're back again. One of those days. Trying not to show too much blood for those of you that may be a little squeamish, because that one was bleeding pretty good, so hopefully I got it stopped. I've just been so excited today with all the vendors that I've been getting confirmations from that I'm sitting here just thinking about that instead of paying attention to my shave. And that is what happens when you don't respect the steel. I could have easily gone over that bump if I was paying attention. All right. See where we're at back here. Very good. Just a little bit on the neck. Wow, did very good. All right, going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right, we're back. Sorry you normally see me come up drying my head or my face or whatever, but I applied a little aftercare to what was going on over here just to make sure. Got that taken care of. Always keep your Allen block. Always keep your styptic pencil handy for situations like that. It happens. All right, let's go for the splash. And, oh, I am so looking forward to this. Resin Trail. Oh. Ooh, okay. Definitely get that amorous a lot more in the splash than I did in the soap. The benzoin for sure as well. Fir needle I'm expecting in the dry down. I'm not quite getting it right now. The vetiver is kind of there, but it's going to come out, I'm sure. But that amorous and that cedar wood. So good. Man, I'm telling you. David J. Young has been killing it lately. And it's like he knows no end. He's been pumping them out left and right. You know, it's almost hard to keep up. But everyone has been amazing. Everyone's been a banger. I've got a couple more of his I need to use coming up as well. So that is Resin Trail from Soap Palooza, my friends. Check them out. Have a link in the description. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.